Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Please also watch until the end to support us. Many thanks. The Maldives, a paradisiacal assembly of atolls in the Indian Ocean, has always been a magnet for those in pursuit of pristine beaches, unmatched luxury, and tranquility. But as the sun sets and the horizon paints itself in hues of oranges and purples, a transformation occurs. The islands, usually associated with daytime serenity and sun-soaked relaxation, start humming with the vibrant rhythms of the night. From the distant beats of traditional Boduberu drums to the refined tunes of jazz by the beach, the archipelago offers a nightlife scene as diverse and enchanting as its marine life. This blend of local culture with modern cosmopolitan trends is uniquely Maldivian. You'll find spaces where traditional dance nights juxtapose with international DJ-led beach parties. Night markets and local cafes give a taste of the archipelago's lifeblood, while luxury resorts curate experiences that etch memories for a lifetime. Now, let's set sail into the night, exploring the best that these islands offer, where the magic is not just limited to its coral reefs and lagoons but extends to moonlit shores and starry canopies. Dive deep into the nocturnal allure of 15 Maldivian islands, each promising an unforgettable soiree. Malé as the heart and soul of the Maldives, Malé vibrates with a mix of local flavor and cosmopolitan offerings. Streets come alive with music, street food, and late-night shopping stalls. Popular hangouts include trendy cafes like the Sea House with its rooftop view and the busy Ras Vanu Beach, where locals often gather for evening activities. Hulhu Malé, an island of juxtapositions, where modernity meets tradition. Enjoy late-night beach picnics or explore the Central Park's evening events. The youth center's rooftop provides a scenic night view, often accompanied by live music. Mayfushi, while it's transformed into a hub for budget travelers, its local cafes and restaurants stay open late, hosting live Boduberu performances. The Arena Beach often hosts nighttime BBQs, where travelers mingle over seafood and rhythms. Kurumba, more than just luxury, nights here mean beach discos, Maldivian night dinners by the beach, and the signature Kalhu o Fumi cocktail nights at Fez Lounge. Barrows after sunset, the Lighthouse Lounge comes alive with jazz music and the soft clinks of wine glasses. Enjoy moonlit dinners at the Cayenne Grill for an authentic beachside experience. Kandolu, perfect for a romantic night, the island hosts private movie screenings on the beach. The Vilu Bar offers wine tasting sessions, where selections from their vast cellar can be paired with curated tapas. Kanuhora, experience Iru Beach's sunset ritual where you can release lanterns. Join in on the Jehunahura Island dinners, where Maldivian cuisine gets a fine dining twist. Club Med Khani, famous for its white parties where everything, from the decor to outfits, embodies the theme. The Overwater Bar has a dance floor that sees impromptu dance-offs between guests. W Maldives 15 Below is not just any club, it's a destination. It has its own signature cocktail list, glow-in-the-dark paint, and international DJs who set the pulse for the nights. Finalu, day or night, One Oak Beach Club is the life of the party. Their retro-themed parties transport guests to the 70s and 80s, and their brunch turns into evening soirees with dance and music. One and only Reethi Ra, dive into diverse nights, from Fanditha's boho chic-themed Arabian nights to beach club parties where DJs spin the decks under the stars. Coco Bodu Heathi nights here are about luxury and local culture. Latitude Bar not only offers cocktails but also Maldivian storytelling nights, bringing alive ancient legends. Komandu, apart from the expected luxuries, Kandu Bar hosts Maldivian nights, where guests can learn local dances. Full moon dinners on the beach are a resident favorite. Velagandu Island Resort and Spa, while its day charm is pristine, nights are about fun. From Madavaru's Maldivian buffets to Thundi Bar's movie nights, there's something for everyone. Niama Private Island Sub-6 is a surreal experience, but come nights, it transforms. But that's not all. There's also the Treetop Club, Nest, where night owls can enjoy amidst nature. As our nocturnal journey through the Maldivian atolls concludes, it's evident that the islands possess an enigmatic duality. By day, they serenade visitors with tranquil lagoons and sun-kissed shores. By night, they transform into lively arenas, resonating with music, laughter, and the spirit of celebration. But beyond the festivities and luminescent beaches, it's the indelible memories that stay with travelers. The soft strumming of a guitar by a bonfire, the whispers of legends told under a canopy of stars, and the rhythms of local dances that echo the heartbeat of the Maldivian culture. Each island, with its distinctive charm, weaves a tapestry of experiences that remain long after the dawn has ushered in a new day. From the luxury of overwater bungalows to the rustic charm of local haunts, the Maldives offers an immersive journey into the heart of the night. And as you depart, you'll realize that while the sun might set on the Maldivian horizon, the island's nighttime melodies continue to play in the hearts of those who've danced under its starlit skies. So, as you reminisce about these moonlit adventures, remember that the Maldives, with its dual allure, always beckons for another mesmerizing visit.